Good morning, dear students. Yesterday we have completed our chapter 4, An Ideal Home. Yesterday we have read about the different features of an ideal home. That sunlight is very important, ventilation is very important for a ideal home. Then sanitation is important, door and windows are very important. So why door and windows are important? Just because windows protect us from the flies and mosquito and allow the fresh air. Water supply. An ideal home must have sufficient water supply for bathing, clothing, cleaning utensils, etc. And the drinking water must be cleaned and covered. Then next point we have discussed safety. The door and window should have bolt and locks. जो आपके डोर है विंडोज़ हैं वो बोल्ट होने चाहिए, उसमें कुंडी लगी होनी चाहिए, साथ ही लॉक भी होना चाहिए बिकॉज दे प्रोटेक्ट अस फ्रॉम द स्ट्रेंजर्स. एंड डोर शुड मस्ट हैव अ स्पाई आई to ensure that the door is not open to be strangers. Then cleanliness. The cleanliness is very important for a house just because if we keep the house neat and clean and safe, it look beautiful. अगर हम उसे साफ सुथरा रखेंगे तो घर कैसा लगेगा, बहुत सुंदर लगेगा. After that we have discussed the next feature, garbage disposal. So not our house, even neighborhood requires sufficient system of garbage disposal so the heap of garbage do not harm the people or the environment. सिर्फ घर नहीं बल्कि जो हमारा नेबरहुड है वहाँ के लिए भी एक सफिशेंट सिस्टम होना चाहिए गार्बेज डिस्पोजल का, जस्ट बिकॉज कि जो हीप है, जो गार्बेज का हीप है वो हार्म ना पहुँचाए किसको, ना तो लोगों को और ना ही इन्वायरमेंट को. सो हियर वी हैव डन we have revised the feature of an ideal home. Today I am going to discuss the exercise of this lesson. First one, a exercise, tick the correct option. Number 1, dustbin must be cleaned. The answer is every day, every week or every month. So we know the dustbin must be cleaned every day. So the right answer is option A. Number 2, it is the job of dash to keep the surrounding clean. Option A, animals. Option B, mothers. Option C, citizen. So dear student, what is the right answer? It's C. It is the job of citizen to keep the surrounding clean. Now third, our homes need sunlight to dash them. Option A, brighten. Option B, refresh. Option C, both. So dear student, the right answer is both. Our home needs sunlight to brighten and refresh them. 4, the kitchens and the bathrooms must have a proper system of. Option A, workers. Option B, drainage. Option C, none. So the kitchen and the bathroom must have proper system of drainage. So the right answer is option B. 5th, what can be caused by open garbage being in the street? Option A, fresh air. Option B, perfume. Option C, foul smell. The answer is foul smell. What can be caused by the open garbage bin in the street? Foul smell. So dear student, here we have done the exercise A. Now I am going to discuss exercise B, fill in the blanks. That I am going to discuss here. Number 1. The sunlight keeps the dash away. So sunlight keeps the germs away. GERMS. Germs away. The sunlight keeps the germs away. Number 2. A house can be converted into an dash home. A house can be converted into an ideal home. IDEAL. So house can be converted into an ideal home. Number 3. Every dash should have lid. So the every dustbin, DUSTBIN, dustbin. So every dustbin should have a lid. Now 4th, the door should have dash and locked. The door should have bolt, BOLTS, bolts and lock. The door should have bolts and locks. 5th, we are all responsible for protecting the dash environment. So we are all responsible for protecting the natural environment. NATURAL, natural environment. We all are responsible for protecting the natural environment. So dear student, here we have done exercise B, fill in the blanks, and you will write this and fill the blanks on page number 31. Now I am going to discuss exercise C. Exercise C, match the followings. Number 1, windows. So what is the right answer? The option C, because it allows fresh air. Window, the answer is option C, fresh air. Now number 2, fly mesh. So the right answer is A, doors. फ्लाई मेश कहाँ होना चाहिए? डोर्स पर. ठीक है, फ्लाई मेश आंसर इज A, doors. Number 3, garbage. So what is the right answer? The right answer is diseases, because जहाँ heap of garbage होगा तो वहाँ पर क्या होंगे? Diseases, बहुत सारी diseases हो जाती हैं. ठीक है, which we have read in the lesson. So you will match garbage with the option E. Number 4, plants. So the right answer is tree. So we should plant more and more trees. The answer is option B, neighbors. So we will match with the D, harmony. We should live harmony with the neighbors. हमें जो है अपने नेबर्स के साथ हार्मनी के साथ रहना चाहिए, बिल्कुल पीसफुली, ठीक है, स्वीटली. So dear student, here we have done our exercise 3, match the following, or you will do this exercise on page number 32. So that's all for the day. Have a nice day. Thank you.